Hello everyone. I know it's been hard in lockdown, trying to engage in your schoolwork, only having worksheets to work with. So I thought, need to come up with something a little bit different. So I decided I'm going to put a pack together that's a practical exercise that you can do at home, and everything you'll need will be in the pack. So what you'll need to do is Friday of this week, come in, pick your pack up, take it home. I'm going to do a video to show you exactly what to do, but in essence you're going to get a piece of timber, some sanding paper, a pencil, some hooks, and also you'll have a nail to help you get a starting point for your hooks that you need to put on. So what you'll need to do once you've completed this, you need to decorate it in some way. You'll need to take photos of the completed product and upload them into Google Classroom. Okay, you're probably thinking, I picked my pack up, what do I do? Like I said, in the pack you've got a piece of timber, a garnet paper, sanding paper to sand off any spikes, any splinters, any rough edges. So you'll need to do that before you start anything else. Then we're going to need to do some measuring. You're going to have a pencil inside the kit. You'll need a ruler. Now every home should have a ruler somewhere around, but it doesn't have to be one of these steel rulers like we have here at school. A plastic rule will do fine. And you'll need to do some measurements. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a top, and I'll just put top on here now so I know which end's which. That's going to be my top. This one will be my bottom. And from the bottom, I'm going to measure up on either end of my timber 20 millimetres. Put a small mark, go to the other end, same thing. And then I'm just going to draw a light line, joining those together, like so. Next, I'll measure in 30 millimetres from the end on that line. The same from the other end, 30 millimetres. And then from either this mark or this mark, I'm going to measure in towards the middle, 60 millimetres. Now I have my 3 marks on my timber, and that's where my hooks will end up sitting. I then take my nail, and I've got a hammer here at school, but you might have to find something at home that you can tap on the end of your nail. I'll place that on the first mark there, where those two lines intersect. I'll give it a light tap, bit of a wiggle, a light tap, and again a little bit of wiggle. That gives me my indentation, my starting point, so that my screw thread will screw nicely into that there. Repeat through to the other 2 marks, a light tap with a hammer, take it out, same with the other one, like so. Now all you need to do is take the first hook, place it in that little indentation and slowly turn until you screw the hook all the way in and it touches at the bottom there, and have your hook face up. Now you repeat the process for the next 2 holes. Now I'm not going to put them all in now. The reason for that is I'm going to have to take them all, the hooks out again, because what you'll need to do is take your sanding paper, remove any marks, any pencil marks you've got on the top of it, on the surface, and then this is where your artistic design comes in. You need to put some sort of design on the top of that, over the surface of this, to dress it up. You know, you can use textures, you could use crayons, or just colouring in pencils, whatever you've got at home to decorate the surface. Now, it's a key holder. Like I said, it's a gift. It could be for Christmas this year. It could be Father's Day coming up on Sunday. The choice is up to you what you do with it, but it just gives you a little bit of hands-on practical work rather than the worksheets that we're having to send home at the moment. I'll look at another project at the end of this term, week 10, so that it'll be ready for week 10 to come and pick up, to work on over the holidays. Again, a present for Christmas, a present for whoever you want to give it to. Thank you very much for watching.